Transferring to a Wealthfront SEP IRA is a straightforward process that can help you consolidate your retirement accounts and manage your investments more efficiently. To begin, you will need to have a Wealthfront account and an existing SEP IRA or other eligible retirement account that you want to transfer. First, log into your Wealthfront account and navigate to the transfer page. Here, you will find a step-by-step guide to help you through the transfer process. You will need to provide some basic information about the account you want to transfer, including the account type, the current custodian, and the approximate balance. Next, you will need to initiate the transfer request. Wealthfront will guide you through this process, which typically involves filling out a transfer form and providing some documentation. This form will ask for your account information, as well as the information of the account you are transferring from. Once you have submitted your transfer request, Wealthfront will take care of the rest. They will work with your current custodian to transfer the funds to your Wealthfront SEP IRA. This process can take several weeks, so be patient and keep an eye on your account to ensure that the transfer is completed successfully. It is essential to note that transferring a retirement account can have tax implications, so it is crucial to understand the rules and regulations surrounding SEP IRA transfers. Generally, direct transfers, also known as trustee-to-trustee transfers, are tax-free and penalty-free. However, if you receive a check for the transfer, you will have 60 days to deposit it into your new account to avoid taxes and penalties. In conclusion, transferring to a Wealthfront SEP IRA can be a great way to simplify your retirement planning and take advantage of Wealthfront's investment management services. By following these steps and understanding the transfer process, you can ensure a smooth and successful transfer of your retirement account. Remember to always review the terms and conditions of your accounts and consult with a financial advisor if you have any questions or concerns.